Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Now, GameStop stocks, we have AMC stocks, and many other Reddit and Twitter stocks that are going crazy. We're going to talk about what is the next GME AMC stock. Before we get into the video, I am not a financial advisor or CPA. Please do your own research. These are for education and entertainment purposes only. Please take responsibility of your investment decision. Now, GameStop, we all know, is going crazy. Right now, today it's up 138%. That's $201 per share. But now after market is it's down 24.89%, down $86.51. CNBC posted GameStop jumps more than 130% even as hedge funds cover short bets. Scrutiny of rally intensified. We can see there's a video of Chamath Palihapitiya. Shares of GameStop surged again Wednesday, continuing the streak of wild swings for the stock as several high-profile short sellers said they had backed away from their positions. The name closed at roughly $348 per share, up almost 135% from Tuesday's close. And the name also appears to get a boost in extended trading on Tuesday after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted out the link to the Reddit board where much of the discussion has taken place. So GameStop is definitely overvalued right now. We can see Elon Musk tweet GameStop and post a link to the Wall Street Bet subreddit page. Also, Chamath Palihapitiya, Twitter, Dear Journal, today was busy. Number 1, bought some YOLO calls on the stock GME. Second, announced I'm running for governor of California. Third, bought more Li, Ni & Co. supply, Li, and Co. supply for battery. Number 4, finished details of a new insurance company I co-founded. And previous tweet, lots of GME talk. So this was posted yesterday morning. We bought Feb $115 calls on GME this morning. Let's go. Tell me what to buy tomorrow, and if you convince me, I'll throw a few hundred Ks at it to start. Ride or die. And we can definitely see bought 50 calls of GME. And also hedge fund Melvin Capital, targeted by Reddit board, closes out of the GameStop short position. They are in deep trouble and they closed it out, taking a huge loss, the hedge fund manager told CNBC, close to $3 billion. And GameStop's jaw-dropping rally, you just see this started at $20, now what is it at? $347 from $20. Insane. Seller Andrew left a Citron Research said Wednesday he has covered the majority of his short position in GameStop at a loss. Also, investor Michael Burry said in a now deleted tweet Tuesday that trading in GameStop is unnatural, insane, and dangerous, and there should be legal and regulatory repercussions. Burry shot to fame by betting against the housing bubble and was featured in Michael Lewis' book The Big Short. What I can also say is that Michael Burry also shorted Tesla in December. How's that going? This is a true fight, a capitalist country, between the retail investors and the hedge fund managers. And the retail investors at the moment are winning. GME, we can see small channel forming here. Well, now it's all squeezed up since these big price actions started on January 21st, up 9.99%. The next day to the 22nd, up 51%, up 18%, up 92%, up 134%. The high of today was $380, the low $249. And about the hedge fund managers versus the retail traders, we are winning. By we mean the retail investors, the Twitter, the Reddit, all these 2.7 million people in these Reddit. We are holding its line, but just be very cautious. Who knows, it might go up another 200% or it might just go down to back to $20. I mean, this is just insane. This is madness. Also, another hot stock, AMC, up 300%, up $14, and aftermarket they are actually down 42%. Wow. Looking at the chart, January 22nd up 17%, up 25%. Yesterday it was up 12%, today it was up 300%. High of $20, low of $11, opened at $16, and now it's at $19.90. But aftermarket, we did see a slight drop. well, 41% drop. Also, an interesting article, Tilray CEO, whose stock spiked 1,400% in a 2018 short squeeze, issues a warning to GameStop AMC bosses. So Tilray was a weed company that was going viral at the time in 2018. People were getting into it. I know a couple of my friends got into it. And I know a couple of friends that is still getting into GME and AMC stock. They're just riding the wave, and wow, that's just amazing. Kennedy said, I've had a little bit of PTSD over the last couple days since that spike up back in 2018. My advice to those CEOs would be that at times like this, your company is not your stock and your stock is not your company. And that's very true. Another hot stock, Nokia. Ticker symbol NOK, a networking company said is not aware of any developments or changes to its business to explain the stock's move. Nokia stocks soar towards a record gain on a record volume for no apparent reason. This is very familiar to GameStop and AMC. Looking at the chart today, it opened at $4.99. It went up to as high as $9.79, and now it's currently closed at $6.55, up 38%. And another news, Beyond Meat, I think a couple days ago it was up, but without any news. But now we know that it is currently PepsiCo and Beyond Meat. They joined together to make a special product. They're up pretty decently. Next we have the FIZZ stock, the National Beverage Corporation. Today up 40%, aftermarket 16% down. Another familiar pattern that we're seeing on the stock chart. All these green candles. Yesterday is up 16%, today up 40%. It's at $181 to close on January 13th, so that was 2 weeks ago. It closed at around $83, so it's up more than 100%. We have the iRobot Corporation, today up 27% to $161. Why iRobot stock just rocketed 51.5%. Shares roared out the gate Monday, climbing 51%. iRobot stock has improved its relative strength rating from 61 to 72, but to me there's really no reason why it's up. The stock Monday up 17%. Here's the chart of the Monday. Today's up 27%. All green candles, look at that. And then we have 2C roll, TR, up 11%, and this is very dangerous. It opened at $45, it went as high as $58.98, and it closed at $42.85. Today up 11%. We are seeing a very familiar pattern with the volume. More momentum, more people getting into the stock, and most likely these are the retail investor, not the big hedge fund manager, not Warren Buffett company, the retail investors. Another stock, Bed Bath & Beyond, up 43%. Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC are the newest targets of speculation for retail investors, creating a nightmare scenario for hedge funds betting against these once beat up stocks. Up 20% yesterday, and now today up 43%. Crazy volume amount. 89.8 million, and average is around 13 million volume per day. So we can see the rise of the retail investors. They are squeezing out hedge fund managers, and this is the beauty of capitalism, supply and demand. And when someone makes huge amounts of money, there's always have to be someone losing a huge amount of money. That's the definition of supply and demand. When are we going to see this stop? I don't know. Reddit, Twitter, my friends that hold AMC, GMC stock, they keep saying, hold the line, buy this stock. They're telling me to do this. We shall see, but it's a very risky investment at this time, and I can see many YouTubers getting into it. I expect a huge drop with all these stocks very soon. They just can't sustain this kind of increase of price momentum. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you are in any of these stocks. What are your profits like? I'm wondering why you decided to participate in it. Did your friend tell you to buy it? Did you get something from Twitter, Reddit? Let me know. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.